The series is officially known as the Anderson Tendulkar Trophy. Which players are honored in its name? Option A, James Anderson and Sachin Tendulkar. B, Stuart Broad and Rahul Dravid. C, James Anderson and Sourav Ganguly. D, Ben Stokes and Sachin Tendulkar. Answer A. What was the result of the third test at Lord's? Option A, India won by 3 wickets. B, draw. Option C, England won by 22 runs. Option D, England won by an innings. Answer C, England won by 22 runs. Who played a heroic unbeaten 61 for India in the third test at Lord's? Option A, Rohit Sharma. B, Ravindra Jadeja. C, Jasprit Bumrah. And option D, Mohammad Siraj. The answer is B, Ravindra Jadeja. Ravindra Jadeja, an unbeaten 61 runs. Which England player took 5 wickets and scored 44 and 33 in that match to claim player of the match? Option A, Jofra Archer. B, Stuart Broad. C, Ben Stokes. D, Chris Woakes. Answer is C, Ben Stokes. Which bowler dismissed Mohammad Siraj with the final delivery of the third test? Option A, Jofra Archer. B, Shoaib Bashir. C, Chris Woakes. D, Ben Stokes. The answer is B, Shoaib Bashir. The next question is, England took a 2-1 lead in the series after the third test. Is it true or false? The answer is true. England took 2-1 lead in the series after the third test. The next question is question number 7. Who made a celebrated test return by taking 5 wickets during the third test at Lord's? Option A, Ben Stokes. B, Stuart Broad. C, Jofra Archer. D, Shoaib Bashir. Answer is C, Jofra Archer. The next question is question number 8. Which former Indian coach identified concentration lapses and Ben Stokes' leadership as key to the result at Lord's? A, Gary Kirsten. B, Ravi Shastri. C, Anil Kumble. And D, Rahul Dravid. The answer is B, Ravi Shastri. Next question, question number 9. Which England bowler was noted by Ricky Broad for an 8-minute over being a turning moment? A, Ben Stokes. B, Jofra Archer. C, Chris Woakes. D, Stuart Broad. The answer is D, Stuart Broad. Shubman Gill achieved what milestone in the first and second tests of this series? Option A, 100 wickets in Test cricket. B, unbeaten centuries in both tests as captain. C, 10 catches. D, hat-trick. Answer is B. India posted how many centuries in the first innings of the first test? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. And option D, 5. Answer is D, 5 centuries. A rare feat. Who became the first Indian keeper to score twin centuries in a test in England? Option A, MS Dhoni. B, Rishabh Pant. C, Ridhwan Saha. D, Dinesh Karthik. The answer is B, Rishabh Pant. Next question. What was England's target in their successful chase and who led the innings? Option A, 350 Joe Root. Option B, 371 Ben Duckett. C, 400 Zach Crawley. D, 371 Joe Root. And the answer is B, Ben Duckett, 371 runs. Second test, Edgbaston, Birmingham. What was the margin of India's victory in the second test? Option A, 200 runs. B, 336 runs. C, innings and 50 runs. D, 100 runs. Answer is B, 336 runs. Who scored a double century and a century in the same match in test history? Option A, Virat Kohli. B, Shubman Gill. C, Ajinkya Rahane. D, Siteshwar Pujara. Answer is B, Shubman Gill with 269 and 161. Next question. Which bowler took a 10-wicket haul including a 6 for in first innings? Option A, Jasprit Bumrah, B, Washington Sundar, C, Akashdeep, D, Mohammad Siraj. Answer is C, Akashdeep claimed 10 wickets. The next question is 17. Who returned to Test cricket and took 5 wickets at Lord's third Test? Option A, Stuart Broad, B, Ben Stokes, C, Jofra Archer, D, Shoaib Bashir. The answer is C, Jofra Archer. Question number 18. What was India's margin of defeat at Lord's and who scored a brave 61? Option A, 50 runs Rishabh Pant. Option B, 22 runs Ravindra Jadeja. C, 30 runs Rohit Sharma. D, 22 runs Mohammad Siraj. And the answer is B, lost by 22 runs. Which rare wicket sealed the match and who was dismissed? Option A, stump Pant. B, LBW Siraj. C, caught at slip Siraj. D, bizarre deflection Siraj. Answer is D. Basir dismissed Siraj. After the third test, which team led the series and by what margin? A, India by 2-1. B, England by 2-1. Tied 1-1. D, England by 3-0. Answer is B. England led 2-1.